Check the link in the description to download a template project you can use to get started. In the project panel of the template, there are bins for each element of your project. Delete any bins you don't need. You can always make a new bin later if you want it back. To create a new bin, select the folder icon in the bottom right of the project panel. This template has numbers at the beginning of the bin titles, so the order will be the same in every project. The numbers are spaced out, so you can customize the order of additional bins. If you want the new bin to sit between sequences and search bins, you can begin the title with 01 or any other number between 0 and 5. Premiere will place it in the correct order. Now, let's use your File Explorer to organize all of your media. This could be animations, logos, audio tracks, any files that you see yourself using again and again. Drag and drop your media to the project panel and into the appropriate bin. The video files you edit will change based on which video you're working on, so we won't add them to the template project. However, there is a bin for raw footage, so you have a place for video files in each new project. Save your project template somewhere you'll remember. Here's how to use the template. From the Premiere Pro home screen, select New Project. See the Project Template drop-down menu near the top. Select Add Template and find the pre-prod file you just saved. Add the video files for this particular project. Take a few seconds to drop your video files in sequence into the correct bins. All of your assets are waiting for you to create your next masterpiece.